everyone, it's LaMunyon. Welcome back to the Client Corner. If you're a Wichita local, you may have noticed that high-end apartments are popping up all over the city. A Storage Cafe analysis of Yardi Matrix data rates actually have Wichita number 10 among the 100 largest cities for its percentage of new high-end apartments built from 2012 till now. So today our topic is pros and cons of buying versus renting here in Wichita. Renting may be nice for someone who doesn't plan to stay in the area for very long. If you're here only for a short amount of time and plan to move, a lease may be best for you. But on the other side, the longer you live in your home, the more equity that you're building. Con number one of renting. You will be limited to what you can do to your property. It's like painting or updating your flooring. But on the other side of that, another pro of renting would be the lack of maintenance and repair costs on your landlord's property. So although you have limited options for updates, you don't have to worry about fixing things on your own when they quit working, whether that's your AC or plumbing. Another pro for buying is that if you decide that you want to make any changes or updates, you can knock down the walls, do any landscaping that you want, and really all renovations. It's all up to you. So in the end, deciding to rent or buy a home is a personal decision that only you can make. If you have any questions about buying a home, give us a call or send us a message. We would love to help you. This is Hunter LaMunyon. You're watching the Client Corner, and I will see you next week.